Hey everybody, I received a new item today that I ordered from Amazon, so let's open it up and check it out. This is a windshield sunscreen or sunshade, and this is from a company called Heather's Original, and this is custom made for the Fisker Ocean. Let me show you some info on it right here. Fisker Ocean Extreme Ultra Sport 2324, location front, and it's listed as a heat shield custom windshield reflector. Durable, stays cool, no fasteners, made in USA. The instructions are: unroll the heat shield across the dash, lift it up against the glass, and then lower the sun visors for support. So let me take it out and have a closer look at it. It is a very shiny silver finish. We have a Velcro strap right here that's attached so it won't get lost. And on the inside it's a white, and on the outside it's silver. Has a black edging that's stitched all around the outside of it. Let me unroll it and get a better look at it. So let me lay it down. So there's a large area up here for the mirror and the controls. So let's check it out. Let's go inside the car and install it. Here is the sunshade itself. Let me loosen the Velcro on it. And then this side here goes towards the front, and then we just unroll it all the way and then push it all the way forward to the front of the windshield. Let's move the visors back and then push it into place. I got my little shark in the way. Let me move him out. I'm going to bend the edges here since they're kind of folded a bit. And then go all the way to the front. So yeah, this is a very good fit. It goes all the way to the edges on the sides and the front and all the way around the mirror. And it has enough space here so that it can be pushed up and up around the mirror there so it stays in place. So basically you got the two visors and the mirror helping to keep it in position. Let's take a look at outside. And here is the view from outside the car. And as you can see, the coverage is excellent. All right, so to remove it, we just move the visors down, pull the sunshade back, and just pull it out. As easy as that. And what you do is you fold the left side and roll it, and then you just wrap the Velcro strap around the edge, and you got it all in the position to store it. You could store this in the back seat or in the cargo area, wherever it's easy for you to access. Here's what it looks like in the back seat area. Or if you want, you can store it in the cargo area. That's a nice area to put it since it's kind of out of the way and doesn't take up much room. So this is a perfect item to get now during the summer when the sun is out. It will keep the inside of the car cooler. Even though I have tinted windows, I don't have a tinted windshield, and this reflective coating on the outside will reflect the heat back outside the car and keep the cabin cool. This is definitely going to come in handy this summer, and I think this is a really nice product. I purchased this myself from Amazon, and if you're interested, the links are in the video description and you can purchase one yourself. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.